What's going on, guys? You know, I'm pumped, alright? I'm pumped. And the reason why I'm pumped is because you guys have been pumping me up. You know, y'all been really keeping my head, you know, in it, alright? Y'all really been keeping my head in it with the DMs, the comments, and everything like that. You guys have really been keeping me going on even, you know, my first time scalping, you know, ever since I had my waves. 3 years ago is when I actually started. You know, so you guys have been keeping me pumped. I've been putting in the brushwork. You know, I've really been trying to, you know, get my hair to grow, because right now, as you guys can see, my hair is not at its curl length. And I mean, and it's not at your curl length. That's, you kind of gotta wait. You kind of gotta, of course, still put in brushwork because, you know, brushing stimulates the hair, the blood flow to the scalp. And when it stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, it allows you to allows for your hair to grow, okay? So people that be saying, you know, oh, you're gonna be going bald because you're brushing so much, I don't know how that's possible, because it stimulates your scalp, stimulates the blood flow, so you're constantly getting blood flow, so you're constantly, them hair follicles, you know, are gonna keep growing and growing, and it's more, you know, your hair grows, you know, more than, you know, the average person that has like a nappy fro or something like that. So the people that are telling you that, don't listen to them, okay? Don't listen to them. But this is about how to get your hair to grow. In this video, it is going to be on how to basically get your hair to grow, so you can finally start, you know, getting ripples and different things like that, because that's what you need. You need to train your hair while it's short and also get it to grow. So, you know, what we're going to be using some castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. You can use regular castor oil. You can use curling hair smoothie, because of course that's natural or whatever. It has natural things that, you know, it make your hair grow. But I feel like castor oil, anything like eggs, olive oil,
what?
Anything like that, it helps your hair grow. Okay, so you know, I could make a video on that if you guys wanted me to. Putting eggs or olive oil or something in my head, or avocado.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Those are anything like that. Those are home remedies to make your hair grow faster. If you don't feel like going out and buying castor oil, you can use anything at home. Okay. You need your plastic bag. All right, your plastic bag, because I like the plastic bag method. All right. Then you're gonna need your brush. All right. I'm using the Wavy Merch Black Diamond brush, and then you're going to need, again, your castor oil, okay? Or whatever home remedy you're going to be using. And then my remix shower. That's basically everything that you're going to need. Oh, wait, hold on. And also, you're going to need your comb. I like combing. Combing is like one of my favorite things. Don't comb more than you brush, though. Combing for straight hair, whatever. It's important. I believe it is for medium anyway. That's what I used to do when I was a beginner. I'd never comb more than I brushed, but I do like using my comb. So, you know what, we're going to just go ahead and we're going to hop straight into the video. And we're going to be in the bathroom the whole time. The reason this is because this is where everything happens, okay? This is where the brush sessions, the hard work, blood, sweat, and tears happens, okay? And then you finally see them ripples, and then you get your waves. Well, then you get your waves that aren't connected. Then you get your connected waves. And this is where everything happens, is what I'm basically trying to say, okay? So that's why I'm in the bathroom, okay? Because this is where I get my sessions in. First thing y'all going to need to do, y'all have to take that right here. You have to take that right here, or whatever you're using, and you have to put a little bit in your hand, of course, and then you rub it in. Just rub it in, just tap it, you know? Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be like, unless you're using curling smoothie, you rub it in until it turns white. And then you just apply it all throughout your head, all throughout your pattern, like how you would brush. Okay? Now, like I said, I'm going to try to do 360 with the swirl. Depending on how that's going to look on me, I don't know. But yeah, so once you got it all in your head, all right, once you got it all in there now, I just like taking my comb real quick. Just take your comb real quick. You just get a quick comb session. Just combing everything through. Now I'm going to take my brush to lay it all down. And you just want to get in a quick brush session, alright? That's all you wanted to do. Just get a quick session in with your brush. Again, stimulating the blood flow to the scalp. You really want your hair to grow fast. So the only reason for that only way that's going to happen is if you're brushing. Most people ask me, okay? Most people are always asking me, hey, you know, I'm not in my curl length yet, should I still brush? Of course you should still brush, because then that's how you're going to get faster progress. We always say that as wavers, you know, if you want fast progress, brush. Even when you're not at your curl length, you can still get fast progress, because when you're brushing, again, you're stimulating the blood flow. You're getting the blood flow to your scalp, which also means your hair grows faster, you get your hair curl length faster, and then that means you get waves, ripples faster. So after you all ragged up, you really want to let this sit in your hair for 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour. Really let the castor oil or whatever sink into your head. Let it get in your scalp. And then, you know, so your hair can start growing faster. But that's basically the first step you guys want to do. The very first step of you guys trying to get waves or straight hair or any texture, honestly, is getting your hair to grow faster. And this is what you have to do to get your hair to grow faster. But, you know, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, like if you liked the video. I mean, if you liked the video, you should like the video. Comment, because I love hearing what you guys like to say in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, because you know what? I'm going on this journey with you guys. I'm going on a journey. You know, I'm teaching you guys firsthand. You know, I'm not elite anymore, so we're going through this process together. So why not subscribe if you really want to learn how to get waves? And I mean, stay wavy. You know, if you're wavy already, you're probably wavier than me right now. But it's cool, because you guys already know I'm gonna pass you up. You feel me? But it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah.